In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PPF calculator in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable sheet that projects how your yearly deposits can grow with interest over time, and it will update instantly whenever you change the inputs. Start by opening Excel and setting up a small input area at the top of your sheet. Create 3 labels side by side or stacked: yearly deposit amount, interest rate, and years. Enter the values you want to use for your scenario. Format the interest as a percentage so that, for example, 7.1% is recognized correctly, and keep years as a whole number. This input section is the engine of your calculator, so place it somewhere easy to reference and keep the labels clear. If you prefer, give these cells a background color to make them stand out. Next, build the table for your projection. Create column headers for year, opening balance, deposit, interest earned, and closing balance. This layout keeps the logic transparent. You'll see where each year starts, what you add, how much it earns, and where it ends. You can bold the headers and set currency formatting on the balance columns and a percentage format on the interest input for quick readability. Now enter the data and formulas. In the first row of the table, set year to 1. In opening balance for the first year, enter 0 to indicate you're starting fresh. In deposit, link to your yearly deposit input. Use absolute references with $signs so the link won't shift when you copy down. For interest earned, multiply the sum of opening balance and deposit by your interest rate input, again using an absolute reference for the interest cell. Then compute closing balance as opening balance plus deposit plus interest earned. In the next row, set opening balance equal to the previous row's closing balance and set year to increase by 1 from the previous year. These links create the rolling effect of compounding. Select the full first data row, then drag the fill handle down until you reach 15 years or match the number of years you entered in your input. As you fill down, confirm that your deposit and interest cells stay locked to the inputs and that the opening balance correctly pulls the prior closing balance. The closing balance in the final year is your total maturity value. Change any input to explore different outcomes, and your table will update immediately. That's your PPF calculator built and ready to use.